Hello, time for a quick little update video in the garden. Just an update on things I've done in the last couple of days, 23rd of November. This is a little kebab sort of a bread feeder for the birds. Built it. I'll try that and nibble at the bread there, hard crusty bread there. Tiny basket and some bread in there, that's gone. And it's a table that fell down. I knew that. And that's a toilet seat. Not toilet, child's booster seat. I got some new seed for them, so maybe tit. Probably wish I had 2 tits in the garden today. I found the 2 tits. And there's the house. And this little attraction I made, a little watering can. They may go into that. They might nest in that later in the year, nest next year. And move across. I roped all that off, temporary of course, just to keep off it, except for when I have to go down and feed them. The net there. That's the second bird table. A few swings to play on. They're all up the tree at the moment. See? There's some new seed for them. There's a bit of porridge in that, Rebix. And of course, seed in the ground. There's the watering tables, which I've added a couple of rocks into. And don't forget, folks, to watch what the wild birds say with me, James, Beta Boy, as the voice of the birds. And look at the garden. There's small bits of grass growing again. And the gnomes. There's underneath the table, they've got shelter there as well. And a quick look at my tashi before I leave. Thank you, nice sunny day. And there's the bird seed I bought. It's nice stuff. Nice, I use that myself. Yeah, out here. Bye for now.